friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll try to talk about the top 5 major disadvantages of buying the MI11X device. So recently I did a video on top 5 major advantages of buying the phone, and a lot of users, they are really interested to know what are the major disadvantages of buying this smartphone. So in this video, I'll try to conclude all the details about this device, friends. So make sure to watch till end of the video to get to know all the results about this smartphone in case if you're planning to buy one of the device. So let's get started without wasting any time. As I said previously, I did a video on the advantages. So let's focus mainly only on the disadvantages of buying this MI11X device. As you can see, friends, so the first major disadvantage which particularly I found is that, so which is really concerning for some of the users and may not concern for other users, is the fast charging. The phone has got only 33-watt fast charging, and it takes close to 60 minutes of time to charge from 0 to 100%, friends. So in case if you're worried about that fast charging, then definitely this phone is not suitable for you. So there are other smartphones in this kind of price range which are available with the 65-watt fast charging, so which can charge within 30 minutes of time, but still this phone has only got 33-watt fast charging, friends. So in case if you're planning to buy and use for the next couple of years, maybe 3 to 4 years, definitely after 3 to 4 years, even after 1 year, you will feel 33-watt fast charging is kind of slow. So think about even that one as well before buying this smartphone. So this is a major disadvantage which I found in this phone. And the second is that battery life. The battery life in this phone is not so great. So I did a couple of videos on that one as well, friends. So make sure to check the links in description for the playlist of this MI11X as well. You can find the links in description below for the MI11X. So there I did mention the battery life of this phone, how it's impacted. So overall I'm getting about 4 to 6 hours of screen on time. So sometimes 6 hours. So depending upon refresh rate, how much you use. So 4500 mAh of battery is slightly less. So I know it's kind of more, but nowadays a lot of users, they are trying to use with the 4G data and continuously net should be connected to the smartphone. Then definitely this will drain a lot of battery, friends. So you need to keep those things in your mind as well. So first, fast charging. Next, battery backup, and other categories are very small issues. For example, those are not issues, but still there is no 3.5mm jack. If you notice, as you can see, friends, there is no 3mm jack here. So that's the one thing. So there is no expandable storage as well. So nowadays we are seeing that's common trend going on. So no storage, no expandable storage, no 3.5mm jack, no LED notification light. So LED notification light, which will be helpful whenever you're trying to charge your smartphone. So there is no LED notification light indicator on the top of the phone as well. And the camera. So cameras of this phone is not so great. It's kind of okay, but it's not great, I would say, definitely, because phone has got only 48 megapixel camera lens. And in case if you're kind of photography and videography user, then definitely you will feel slightly disadvantaged of buying this smartphone. And the final issue with this phone is the screen dimming problem. So there is this problem with this phone is going on, friends, screen dimming problem. So this is a major problem, I would say, definitely. So right now, after the couple of updates, the problem got a little bit fixed. So previously, whenever the device used to, if you're trying to use the phone with full brightness for long time, the brightness will automatically decrease to maintain the low temperatures. So that is another problem which is going on. So recently I did a video on that one as well, friends. So make sure to check that video in case if you want to know more details. So these are the few disadvantages, and the final comes into the price. The price of this phone is 29,999, and for this 29,999, I would say okay, but a lot of users, they did expect the price to be close to 25,000 and 27,000, because we did see the Poco X3 Pro, which has got Snapdragon 860 for 18,999,000. So for 18,999, you got the Poco X3 Pro Snapdragon 860, and for this Snapdragon 870, the price is about 30,000. As you can see, friends, that's a double the price. So I know you are getting very good screen and high better processor and UFS storage, but still 26,000, I would say definitely that is a speed spot for this MI11X device for the kind of very huge sale. But 27,000, if it got launched, then that would have been very much happy with this phone, friends. So these are the overall top 5 major disadvantages in this phone, and let me know if you care about any other disadvantages. Do let me know in the comments below. Definitely I'll try to make another video, but these are the few disadvantages, and the major ones are fast charging, so and battery life, and the screen dimming problem. Other normal issues issues like there is no 3.5mm jack, no SD card, no LED notification light. Those are other details, but apart from that everything is good. Build quality and the camera is also slightly disadvantage. So these are the few things you need to know, friends, before buying the smartphone. So thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.